Hello everyone and welcome back to another video, and in today's video we're playing the demo for How Many Dudes. I thought I did a video about this, but I might not have, or I might not have saved it, or I don't remember what happened. But I did get this game, I wanted to try it out, and the demo is free on Steam. You can go ahead and get it and wishlist the main game if you like it, but let's go ahead and begin. You see we got one dude here, and he has to fight 10 toddlers. So let's go. Gonna up the speed. Go by. Avert your eyes, kids. Just watch the man brutally beat a bunch of children. And now we get to choose a new dude. Cleric dudes. Every 2 seconds, the cleric dude creates a pulse. The most injured dude. The pulse heals nearby injured dudes for 10% to 100% of the cleric's DPS. Split amongst them. Every 3 seconds, the knight dude taunts up to 3 nearby enemies and focuses their attacks on him. So he's like a tank. And then you have the warlock dude has made a pact with an evil being. 90% of his damage taken gets stored in his pact and spread out over 4 seconds. So he's like a fighter, tank, and a healer. We're gonna get a healer so that we don't die. And what can we fight? 3 duck-sized horses and 10 toddlers, or 7 little ducks. We're gonna fight a bunch of horses this time, because I think we can do it. See, I told you we could do it. That was easy. We got another cleric dude. Okay, let's see what these are. We got Divine Rod, the cleric dude, Divine Pulse, cooldown, now 5% less time per dude healed by the pulse, and maximum reduced reduction of 50%. When any dude gets knocked out, an active dude gains 3% damage for the rest of the battle, and at the start of the battle, the dude type at the end of your roster taunts up to 5 random enemies. Okay, we're gonna get the Divine Rod, because it already buffs one of the units we have. I think with 3 clerics, we might could fight these guys again. This is more reward, and it's not that much more reward, so I think it's doable. Ouch, we just gotta out-heal the damage, and we did it. We are victorious. We have another dude selection. Okay. Ninja dudes, when his attack lands critical hit, the ninja dude throws 2 shuriken at the enemy, dealing 50% attack damage to each enemy it passes through. Shurikens can hit up to 4 enemies before they break. Vampire dudes heal for 30% of the damage dealt. Oh, that's pretty cool. They heal themselves. Necro dudes summon skeleton dudes at the start of each battle. If the skeleton dudes defeat the necro dude, will summon new ones after 5 seconds. Well, that's awesome. That's just a bunch of dudes. That's wonderful. Necro dude is great. He has a purple name. He must be like a rare one. 4 duck-sized horses, or rats, or mallard ducks, and 10 little ducks. Something tells me a duck-sized horse is stronger than a mallard duck, and rats seem pretty tough too. I honestly think this might be the easier route, but I could be wrong. Mallard ducks could be strong. Oh, they are pretty strong, but not strong enough. Our dudes are winning. Claim reward. It'd be stupid not to get the necro dude, since he's a rarer one, I think. I don't know how to tell. But okay, hold on, get a free dude juice. Calcium pills. What does that do? Wait, false fangs. Dudes attack there, 10% chance to heal themselves for 50% of the damage dealt. Okay. I think this one's good because it helps with all the dudes. Goats seem really strong. I'm not going to chance it this time. We're going to fight 35 toddlers. I also just want to see my dudes beat up on a bunch of kids. It's funny. Yeah, those kids didn't stand a chance. They did nothing. They didn't even scratch my dudes. Get another necro dude, because that's basically just 2 dudes. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 dudes essentially, because 3 of our necro dudes summon 3 skeletons. I think we can take the mallard ducks. Let's go. Our dude is dead. I was dumb. Oh no. Zombie dudes gain 25% cleave. Unconscious dude. Zombie for every unconscious dude. Zombie dudes barely have a brain, so they recover from knockouts after one round. And each time Viking dudes deal damage to enemies, he has a 5% chance to go berserk, gaining 50% attack speed and run speed for 3 seconds. I'm gonna give the zombie dude because that synergizes with the necro dude due to the fact that all of his zombies are unconscious. Oh, let's just fight all the toddlers. That's easy. So now the necro dude, the zombie dude I mean, is stronger because of the fact of the cleave. But I don't know what cleave is, but he gets it from the necro dudes. So let's get another necro dude. And dude, nice. I got a bunch of things. I have 3 of these, but I only have 1 dude unconscious, so I'm probably not going to do that. Let's fight the rats. Another zombie dude. 3 dudes, sweet. Tethered shoes. Your dudes gain 5% run speed and 2% maximum HP for each zombie dude on your team. This effect stacks up to 5 times. So that's 25% and 10% if I have 10 or 5 zombies. Jazz flute. Whenever a dude will evade an attack, he gains 10% critical chance for 2 seconds. Half full glass. When dudes drop below 50% HP, he has 25% chance to heal for 10% of his max HP to cooldown for 5 seconds. We're gonna get the tethered shoes. And then we're gonna fight the mallard ducks, because honestly that sounds better than duck-sized horses. I could be wrong though. Ooh, we got some knockouts. We need more healers. Medic dude heals 3 most injured dudes every time the medic dude deals a total of 50 damage. Bard dudes, every 4 attacks the bard dude plays a song as press 4 random dudes to increase the damage and run speed by 4% for 4 seconds. Stacks for 4 times. And every 3 seconds the samurai dude dashes to the lowest HP enemy on the battlefield to help finish it off. We're gonna do the medic dude since we need a healer. To make the medics more powerful and get more dude juice. Use some dude juice to revive all of our dudes. We now have all of our dudes, and we're gonna fight a wolf from 35 toppers. Ooh, we lost a cleric. We're gonna get another cleric because clerics are important. Dog-sized rats and stuff sounds fun. Let's just fight a bunch of duck-sized rats. This is pretty simple. Let's get another. Ooh, this is a hard one. Let's get medic dude. The medic dude heal has a 35% chance to apply temporary health for 4 seconds, equal to 2 times the amount healed. Bonfire 1 HP for every dude of the same family on your team, up to maximum 20. While Necro Dude takes fatal damage, he sacrifices his skeleton to heal himself for 100% of the skeleton's max HP. He can do this once every 5 seconds. Let's do that one. That makes our Necro Dudes really powerful, actually. A cougar! Let's fight a little duck and a wolf. That'll be easier. The wolf is like a boss. The medic dude is a lot better at healing than the cleric dude. I'm glad I have the medic dudes. We're getting another necromancer. The cleric sucks. Let's just fight the 100 top. It's gotta be easy, right? I think we get our cleric dude back soon. Get another medic dude, he's good. When dudes get knocked out, all active dudes gain 20% run speed for the rest of the battle. This effect is stacked up to 50 times. Crazy. Zombie dude has a 0.5% chance to, when taking damage, to explode, dealing damage surrounding enemies equal to 2 times the zombie dude's max HP. This explosion knocks out the zombie dude. Well, let's not do that. All dudes receive 10% increased health from all sources. Sure. We have all our dudes back. Just keep fighting. Claim reward. Get another zombie dude. Loaded dice. Reduce the pocket dice. Price of the pocket dice 50%. His pocket dice has 50 chance not be consumed when used. A blood talisman. Anytime a dude receives healing, gain 1% attack speed for the rest of the battle. This. Yes. Thank you. I heal a lot. I'm gonna take the toddler. It's so easy. Brutal. Another zombie dude. What is pocket dice? Reroll is the relics and relic stash. Reroll flyer and stocks the inventory of merchant dude. Okay. We're gonna go with the duck. All this stuff is great. We're gonna fight 22 ghosts. I don't even know if we can. We will. That was easy. Medic dudes are doing great. Paladin dude. At the start of the round, Paladin dude blesses 2 random dudes. Blessings reduce damage taken by 10% and redirect 20% of the remaining damage to Paladin dude instead. He doesn't have that much health though. I don't know if that's good, but we're gonna go Paladin dude because he seems the best. Deathslice horses aren't that easy. Judging by what I've seen, I think the Maladusts are more strong than the Deathslice horses. That's okay. Another medic dude. All dudes gain 40% cleave. When dudes get thrown, he has a 100% chance runs or 100% run speed, 30% attack speed, and temporary heals up to 10% of his max HP. No, we're gonna do cleave, just because we already have so much cleave. This is a massacre. Do another medic dude, just keep getting us HP. Gravestone, when dudes get knocked out, there's a 20% chance the skeleton emerges as a skeleton dude and continues fighting for the rest of the battle. When medic dude heals a dude who's below 25% HP, dude gains 30% attack speed and okay, sure. And then this one, I thought it'd be affordable. Dismiss. Serrated. All enemies gain 25%. Attack damage past their temporary health. Okay. Horse-sized duck. We're gonna use this just because we need it. Help the dude survive. We did this. We're doing this. We may die, but that's okay. We will live. While some will die, many will survive. Claim rewards and get another zombie dude. Skeleton dudes appear to assist you at the start of each battle. 4 skeleton dudes. Okay, fun. That'll up my zombies' cleave and everything. Let's just revive our dudes. We're good. Gooses are probably strong. Let's just fight the top. Another necro dude, of course. kill a bunch of them. Oh, this is a massacre. I don't know if you can hear me over all the noise now, but this is a massacre. Okay, another Necro dude. Just kill the carpet yet. There's a lot of dead babies. Get another cleric just because we like heals. And fight the little ducks. Wow. Okay, these fights are ending very quickly. This is good. We eventually have to get to the what's it called? The of course skeleton dudes. Reduce the health potion, reduce the price of the health potion, all you dudes. The health potion just removes all knife as well. Okay, sure. What's wonderful is that this has only taken 15 minutes so far, 16 minutes, and I have 30 minutes before. We may end this video early if we get to the gorilla. That's all I'm doing for now, is I want to get to the gorilla. Probably should have gotten the medic dude, but okay. Hey! We now have, what was it? This. We don't have this. We had, where's that new thing we were supposed to get? Flame rewards, get another necro dude. Let's revive some dudes. Because we can. Alpha Wolf or Feral Hogs. Looks like they did one that gives you more questions on the Healing Pulse is kinda good because it's AoE heals. Get a bunch of necro dudes. We have 8 necro dudes anyway, giving us a lot of skeleton dudes as well. Yeah, those toddlers didn't stand a chance. Panda bear. I was like a toy. That was a surprisingly less loss than I was expecting. Skeleton dudes gain 40% damage and 50% run speed. Easy. What? All boots temporarily heal. Okay, whatever. Let's do this one. Poor dude. Hey, why is he double caked up? Never mind. Feral hogs and horses. Let's just fight these things. was pretty easy. Honey badger, horse-sized duck. Honey badger seems tough. Let's get. Claim reward. Give it the zombie. Well, kill all the dudes. Good job. Easy. More zombie dudes. Oh, we now get the necromancer dudes, I think. We didn't have them before. Okay. That's wonderful. We have necromancer dudes now. Wait, 1 gorilla and 40 rats. That was our goal, was to kill a gorilla. Can you do it? Looks like it was the easy path. Yo, we smoked that gorilla. What was that? That was easy. Use the strange spores by, whatever. Make our zombies explode, I don't care. Let's see how many we can do. Reward. More undead dudes. Dude, thanks. Oh, I get both? You know, my skeleton dudes are strong, and my zombie dudes are strong, too. That's good, I have a lot of both of them. How many dudes are down? Use some dude juice. Big B. I want to see what the big B does. Just a big B. I knocked out a lot of dudes. What the heck? Oh, they are dropping like flies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, we have enough for the dude juice to help. Okay. Dog-sized rat. We're based on healing, and they don't do that much. What the heck? We dropped them. Why would zombies drop? That's okay. Zombies come back after 1 round anyways. Yeah. Invest, please. See if we can do it. I actually don't know. Yo, we did it. Necro dudes, obviously. No one is down currently. I'll use a 50% reduced run speed and alpha wolf and 20 wolf. We're fighting the wolf pack. One potion on standby, but I don't think we'll need it. Okay. My dudes are good. Medic dude. Sure. We have a lot of the same dudes. We have 12 of these guys, 12 of these guys, so yeah, that's pretty good. It also helps our zombie dudes a lot. Because it's additional 32% or whatever. And then National 42, 18%, and 72%. Jeez, your health is changed. Okay, in that case, I think we can handle these guys. Maybe we can. Wow, we actually did. We didn't lose a single dude. That'll help you health even more, right? No? No, it didn't. No. We got this. We lost one dude. Another medic dude. We got this. Another drop it. Lava dudes are dropping like flies. Other skeleton dudes will emerge. Since we don't have a lot of time, we're gonna just go ahead and boost them back up. And just go for it. I thought I was gonna do something, but no, Yeah, the zombie dude. Mobius strip consumes during battle as a chance to not be consumed. Second dude type on your roster gains 10% good chance. What about the Mobius strip and some more dude juice? Fight the Mallet Ducks. You're the one with Mobius balloons. Easy. Another Necro dude. I think I can handle it. Here we go. And wonderful. Well, that's all the time we have for this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.